Good morning, San Diego. Are you ready for VeeamON?
Everything Veeam has done since we started has always been all about you.
Version 13 software appliance.
I'm excited about what we're going to do together.
Yo, how y'all feeling, San Diego?
I could feel the buzz. I hope you had that same sense of energy, excitement, learning about Veeam, but more importantly, connecting with each other, connecting with your peers, and building out that network that helps you successfully manage your businesses, manage your environment.
That's really an amazing conference. It's one of the best conferences in all of tech.
We're going to have 20 different new technologies presented to you, and in some cases a preview that's so new that there are very few Veeamers that even are aware of it.
We together are making the world a safer place.